Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Rahmi Werdayareni Adelia. Okay, I will present the CGR that I made. Title of CGR: Difficulties faced by the student of English Education Study Program in Learning Present Perfect Tense. Author Dini Nadron and Andi Naniwarsi. Published Journal Collaborative Science. Reviewer Rahmi Werdayani Adelia. 1. Main idea. There were two kinds of interview that the researcher used. The first is interviewing the lecturer. He stated that during the teaching and learning process, the student got understand the material of present perfect tense during the class. In case the student got difficulties, namely the student did not use the time signal or time change in English. Different styles of Mother Tongue and English made them confused, and they also ignored the change the verb form. The lecturer stated when the student got difficult, he gave an exercise about the present perfect tense. The lecturer argued that there is no physical setting that influenced the student difficulty in learning present perfect tense. He defined that the main problem of the student is they do not comprehend that English has time signal and verb change in different situations. At the end of the class, the lecturer always motivates the student to study harder because they are English education department student. They should be great in 4 skills of English. The school was interviewing the student. The result showed that the student have learned the topic of present perfect tense. But in case they got difficulty in mentioning the formula of present perfect tense. Meanwhile, they also did not know how to use the formula then make it an example. That is why the researcher concludes that some difficulties come from the student themselves. It can be explained based on the result of this, and the researcher found 6 types of difficulties. They used incorrect formula in forming affirmative, negative, and interrogative form of present perfect tense. Use of auxiliary that is frequently Swedish. Selected of the regular and irregular verb, stretching verb 1 to verb 3, and difficult in distinguishing the usage of past tense and present perfect tense. Based on the result of this in this research, it can be summed up that the third semester of English education study program of Universitas Muhammadiyah Palu still encounter many grammatical errors, especially in using present perfect tense. Although they have been taught about present perfect tense before, they may still be confused. This question is about the reason why the student then to make the problem in learning present perfect tense. There are many factors that might cause student problem is using present perfect tense, such as a lot of tense in English. Interpresent differences between English structure and Bahasa Indonesia. Lack of vocabulary mastery, lack of textbook to support learning progress, lack of interest in the teaching, learning progress, lack of motivation, family, background, economics, education, family structure, lack of learning facilities, or the instructional researchers such as grammar book, LCD, strip projector, English CD, strip movie, library, lack of practice and repetition, lack of explanation and details from lectures. Time provided in learning is inadequate. Student confident, I feel bored and afraid of mistake. Lack of interaction between lecturer and student, society, resident and school, lack of support classroom environment is not suitable, crowded cause close temperature, student laziness, lack of concretion in class as the result, student did not pay attention to the lecture, and the less lack of lecture, explanation and details of material. 2. Critical. A. The strength of the journal. 1. The method applied is very good. 2. The data collection and presentation in the journal is very detailed by displaying very complete data and presentation. 3. Writing in journal also meet journal standard in general, so there are no obstacles in the way of writing. B. The weakness of the journal. 1. The weakness in this journal, in my opinion, is that the discussion section is poorly understood, making it difficult to synchronize the research. Okay, thanks.